Worldview presets. How to command respect instantly. Here's 10 psychological tricks to do. Have you ever been in a situation where you hope someone would give you the attention you deserve? Where do you want them to listen to you and not just blow hot air? Respect is something we all crave, no matter what role a person holds in a professional or personal situation. You don't need to let others recognize and acknowledge your worth. Luckily, there are ways to get others to respect you without too much effort. The following psychological tricks will quickly increase your influence and make people respect you. Number 1. Present yourself from your best side. The first impression you make on someone is usually a lasting one. That's why it's so important to pay attention to your behavior and presentation. Your appearance has a big impact on how others see you, and it's not just how you look or dress. How you approach someone, how you act, and how you feel all contribute to who you are as a whole. And people will remember it later when they think of you and your photos. So if you want to be respected, show your best side. Number 2. Be mindful of nonverbal cues displayed through body language. Body language is a powerful tool for communicating with others. It can give you a business edge, boost your confidence, and even help you get the job you want. If you want to show respect to others, it's important to pay attention to nonverbal cues and make sure your own body language is sending the right message. Show that you are confident and comfortable with yourself. It is also important to pay attention to what the other person is doing during the conversation. Their nonverbal cues can tell them if they like what they're hearing. Number 3. Speak confidently. If you want to be respected and taken seriously, you need to learn to speak confidently. People will quickly notice if you are shy and lack confidence. The best way to prevent this from happening is to be open about your intentions from the beginning. When you speak, speak clearly and confidently. Don't mumble or speak too fast. It makes people think you are hiding something. Also, avoid filler words like likes, knows, and actually. They make you uneasy. It's also helpful to back up your opinion with facts and past experience. Number 4. Create a sense of significance in others. You can show respect by how you treat people, and don't just be nice to them. It's about making them feel important. To do this, send heartfelt compliments, respect their interests and talents, show appreciation for their work and ideas, and give them due credit. By paying attention to others and giving them the recognition they deserve, we can build better relationships with everyone around us. Number 5. Recognize the appropriate timing to speak and to cease speaking. Knowing how to speak is not enough to connect with others. You also need to know when to speak and when to stop talking. If you want people to take you seriously, listen more and talk less. This is a simple rule, but one that many people don't follow. Be patient when someone speaks, or at least tries to. To keep the conversation flowing smoothly, wait until the conversation is over before responding. What if they interrupt you while you are talking? Smile politely and carry on as if nothing happened. Number 6. Cultivate an enigmatic persona. Desperately seeking attention, bragging and boasting will not earn you respect. Also, telling others about your mistakes and problems is not worth it. If you want to extort respect, it's best not to get too much attention. Instead, cultivate a sense of mystery around you. Show just enough to get people interested in what else is going on in your life. When people feel that there is more to you than meets the eye, they will want to know more. Number 7. Exhibit reliability and dependability. People respect someone they can count on and trust. We also respect people who are sincere and do not lie or cheat. To earn respect, you have to be a good person. It means honoring your commitments and offering help when needed. It also means setting an example by doing what is ethical and right, even when no one is watching. Number 8. Avoid being easily influenced or manipulated by others. Sometimes being nice and kind is the best way to keep the peace or get things done. But there is a difference between being kind and being outright intrusive. A pushover is someone who knows no boundaries and lets people come and go wherever they want. They make their kindness and generosity available to others. Whether it's family or peers, if you want to be respected, don't lower your standards and values to fit the mold of the people around you. Hold your spine and stand up for yourself. Number 9. Manage your emotions. You've probably heard this a million times, but it's worth mentioning. You can't always control what happens to you. but you can control how you react. It's not about becoming a robot or a cold-blooded human being. Learn to control your emotions and not let them control you. Don't let others see you upset, angry, or nervous. If you can maintain a calm demeanor under pressure, people will surely respect you when they see how strong and consistent you are. Number 10. Be accountable for the results and behaviors that stem from your choices and actions. It's easy to say sorry. You can always find a reason why things didn't go as planned. But if you want respect, don't make excuses. Don't blame others for your mistakes and shortcomings. Taking responsibility means taking responsibility for your actions and facing the consequences of your decisions. People respect people who admit their mistakes, sincerely apologize, learn from their experiences, and try to do better next time. Respect is an essential ingredient in personal and professional relationships. When people respect you, they are more likely to listen to you, support your opinion, and help you in any way they can. It may seem obvious, but to be respected, you must first be respected. If you respect others, they will respect you. If not, it's not worth your time anyway. We'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more videos for you. As always, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.